Hey YouTube, this is HD here, and I'm going to be doing another tutorial on Minecraft Mobile Admin. I think this version is, let's see, 3.2.5 and 3.2.3 for the client and the server. So first thing first, you want to go to Kaltner.net if you went to the, I think, plugins.bucket.org and searched up, I think, administration. It should be around here somewhere. I'll search for it. It's right here, 3.2.5. Blah, blah, blah. No credit card, PayPal, and non-US users. Download. Once you download the plugin, you'll get this zip file right here. You want to extract that, which I already did right here, and you want to move both these files to your plugin folder, which I already did. Once you move it to your plugin folder, you want to open up the mobile admin folder that you moved to your plugin folder, and then you want to edit the mobile admin property file. There's really nothing you need to edit here unless you want to change the port, your mobile admin color, and you want to add these. You don't need to edit this unless you know what it means here. I do know what it means, but I don't need it. Dynmap, including HTTP, only required if you're using a non-standard port or URL. So if you're not using this, you have to edit this. Put your own Dynmap port and color, whatever. And then after that, okay, there you go. After that, you want to edit the users, which will be how you log in on your device. Wow, that's not how I wanted to open it. Here's everything. Users, okay, read this. Define your users in this file. Only one admin is supported by the free version of the client. That's if you did not pay for it. The paid version will allow users to authenticate as other users defined here. And that's basically it. Users, okay, so like when you log in on your device, which I'll get to in a minute, you need a name. So this can be, I would say you would want this to be your Minecraft username, which is your MC username, and then any password. It doesn't need to be your MC password, I don't think. And here's your like permissions and admin true or false. If you have the free version, only one admin is supported, as it states here. So if you want another person, you can give them different permissions. Save that. And then I guess I'll go to my Kindle now, which is my Android device. I don't have one, I have an iPhone. And show you how to set it up on that end. So, see you. Okay, here's the second part of my tutorial. This is my Kindle Fire. I got it for Christmas. I rooted it, and I can, get, phone apps that are on, let's say, my old Jordan Incredible. I could put them on here and install them and all that. I rooted it in the first, 2 hours I had it. Shockingly. Okay, first thing is first. Let me let me sign out. It's gonna be blurry. I'm sorry. This camera sucks. Let's just delete this. Okay, yours will look like this on the app. It's first time, or if you tried setting it up before this, just delete it. We're gonna do a new one. Okay, name. Your server name. So this could be any. So it could be that. Who cares? Your server IP. So if you have a website like myminecraftserver.net, and you go to your DNS zone editor on your cPanel, you can route. Let's say you go on Minecraft. You would route. If you enter that, myminecraftserver.net, it will route to, your public IP that you're running it off of, like 99.xxx or whatever. So after that, if you did that, you would enter which mine is mc.explore.us. Airport is 5839, like we left it, 58339. Username, I'm going to enter because it's mine. Just enter what you put. Now, it's done. And then your password is whatever you assigned it to be. It could be blank. Like the box says, it's optional. I put one, of course, because passwords rock. Okay. Next, once you entered everything, it will say your server name that you stated in the first box. Click it. Bam, you're on. I did forget to mention this in the other video on my computer. You do need to port forward this. So you would go to however you forwarded Minecraft, and we go to let's say you would go to, I don't know, I have AT&T. You'd go to settings, firewall, pinholes, and DMZs. Then you would add a new user-defined application. The port would be 5839 to 5839. If you have AT&T, that's what it would be. You do need to know your system password to save and create and all that. And you do need to know your IP. There is tutorials about port forwarding on YouTube. That's how I learned. It's very simple. Or you can go to portforward.com and look there. So, after all that, this is going to be a short one. You have players, plugins, chat. That's all you'll have unless you install Dynmap, which I did. I installed Dynmap, Dynamic Map. But here you have ban, unban, console command, reload time. If you have whitelist, you'll have add player, and remove player. You have players all connected. See, that's the only player that connected since I put on this plugin, which was 5 minutes ago. Plugins is all your plugins that you have. And then chat is your chat. Alright, nothing's happened yet. And this is just your Dynmap if you haven't installed. And I'll show you mine. Okay, so let this load. I did, if you know Dynmap and you're smart at commands, remembering, I just use a Dynmap full render while in game. So, yeah, / Dynmap space full render in game. Yeah, that's basically my map. I have more scattered, and then you can add If you pay for it, you can add widgets. So, on your phone, Minecraft server control, you can add columns, rows. There's 0 people on, and it's on console. Show your console. You can go time, day and night, your status, status and players. And that's basically it, guys. I'll have more details in the description box below.